My task this morning is to clear out this side of the garage so that I can start working on the driver's side of the car. This plastic here is the tent that I made when I sandblasted underneath. Hi, I'm Steve and this is my 1956 Ford Consul. In this video I'll be repairing the driver's side rear wheel arch. And as you can see, there's a hole here that I missed before, and it's been welded along here in the corner of the boot. I did this many years ago, same as the other side. And there's a patch here, I don't remember doing this, may have been me, and that's been brazed on. And then I can see braze on the outside. There's a hole where the two top panels meet there, and there's a hole just above the jacking point, and that's what I can see at the moment. There probably, usually as always, is more work than you initially think there is. Yeah, this filler is quite thick, about 1/8 of an inch thick. This was done by the guy that resprayed it black. Been brazed, so I don't think I did this, because I think he brazed it. The problem with brazing is you can't braze unless you get the metal red hot, and really that's the last thing you want to do with body panels and anything on a car. So there is a bit of distortion under here as well. Luckily I can't see any distortion here, so he's just covered that with a load of filler. Oh shit, that's actually shaking the car. Let's get this up. Falling on me, do I? Just put this up. This is just a safety thing, because I wasn't confident of lying under the car with just two axle stands bolted to the chassis rails. So that gives me a bit more confidence then to get underneath. Never had it shaking like that before. Such a heavy car that it's always been absolutely solid. Getting a bit warm, need to cool that down. Although this has got red hot at some point, so I don't suppose the heat of the wire brush would make much difference really. much hard work. These are really good. The only problem I found with it is the width of the steel roller is not so wide as the actual belt. But what I do is I will turn it around, even though there's an arrow on the back saying what way it should go. I don't worry about that. I turn it round, so now I've got a new edge. So the roller is here. So this side is fresher. This side's worn out because it was the other way around. So. As I'm cutting this plate out, all the aluminium oxide is coming out of here. It's got in there. It's everywhere. Here's a good demonstration about how dangerous these little wheels are. It just grabbed, and there's half of the wheel. It just grabbed in there because I had the wrong angle or whatever. That's how important it is to wear safety goggles. I protected my eyes with these, and I think, what about the rest of my face? So I put this on. I didn't want to end up in A&E with a disc embedded in my cheek. Oh, that's good. Didn't expect that to come off. I thought I had to grind that off. So it wasn't brazed very well. that bit off there. And there's a bit left here though. This hole here, there was a grommet, rubber grommet in there. And the reason that hole is there, I think, is because it kind of lines up with the screw hole that holds on the horizontal valance that goes between the body and the bumper. But the funny thing is, it should be there. It doesn't actually line up, but I think that's what that hole is for. Oh, I suppose there's other holes in here that you can't see because it's behind this box section here. Bloody hell. Lots of lovely tin worm. Don't we just love it?